Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that he has a partner, and I'm so excited for him. I'm happy that he has someone that he can call his own, and it's a joy to have someone in your life who you can speak to and who you can relate to. So, congrats to you, Dwayne, and keep going doing the good job. Now, go and watch the video and find out for yourself what he has to say. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
This one, I can't take about this one. But this secret is I have a I have a partner. I have a partner. I do. We live together. We live together. They work in the daytime and they come to my home at nights, and you guys may be wondering if it's a girl or a boy. It's the latter. It's the latter, and we love each other. We do. We do. I've been said to them, should I put them on social media? I would love for you guys to meet them, and they are not ready for that. They're not ready for that. They're not ready. But I do have a partner, and they love me for who I am. Yes, I have a few impediments. However, they don't look at me for that. You understand? And we have been together now for around 6 months, and we're going good. We're going good. My family's met them. I'm not going to tell you guys the gender. That's why I'm using the word them. I'm using the word them because I don't want you guys to pick up on the gender. Whether you guys pick up or not, I don't really care. I have a partner, and we've been living together for roughly around 6 months now. We started to talk to each other around 8 or 9 months ago, and things started to get serious. And shortly after, we started to just move things back to where, well, together. Honestly, it is someone I was dating before, and when they found out about my trauma, and I did tell you guys once. I called them when I was at the hospital, and they made me felt bad. So we spoke. We have been talking for a minute now, and I don't know why you guys are laughing. This is actually serious stuff. It's serious stuff. Put yourself in my shoes. And funny thing, never in my life did I ever think I was going to date again. The person have met my family. My mom, my dad, my mom, my sister. They've met my family. My family likes the person, because it's one person, not them, plural. And I would show you guys a picture. But the person is the person I love, right? And we love each other. And I feel like we are going okay, and I feel like it's by the grace of God why we found our way back to each other. It might be a boy, it might be a girl. Let's just put it that way. It might be a boy, it might be a girl. Whatever you guys want to put, however you guys want to, honest God, just make up your mind. Just know I love who I love. I would call myself a sapiosexual or one of those, but just know I love who I love, and we love each other, and things are going great. And trust me, God has been good to us. God has been good to us because, you know, never in my life did I ever think we would. Never in my life did I ever think I would ever I would ever be back with someone again. You know, after all of my trauma I'd been through, after everything, I didn't think this was a possibility. And I am happy